What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and today's video is going to be how to get these scratches out of the top of the glossy part of gaming consoles. So the top glossy part is typically on the PS4 part that comes off by the hard drive, some styles of the Xbox One consoles, and some Xbox 360 Slims. I'm sure there's a lot more consoles out there, but those are the three that I typically work with. And today I'm going to be showing you how to get all these scratches off. So let's get to it. And what you'll need for this is Windex or some sort of cleaning that you'd use on, everyday items. You're going to need some towels. You're gonna need one that you use to clean cars. I don't know exactly what this is called. Maybe a microfiber towel or something like that. And then just a normal kitchen rag, a normal kitchen towel. And you're also gonna need some sort of car wax. There's things that work much better out there, but this is what I had in my garage, so I decided to see if it will work, and I've been using it for a few weeks now, and it's worked great. But now that you know what we need, let's get into the actual process. Now let's remove these scratches. So the first step is you take your glossy part and just do a basic clean. That's what the Windex is for. You're just gonna spray it down and just wipe it down. This helps get all the dust off it or anything like that. Sorry. It gets all the dust off of it, so it helps fill in the scratches a lot better. So just do a basic rub down of whatever's glossy. You don't want to wipe down the whole console. Like, for example, I wouldn't wipe down this part of the PS4 with the wax because it's not glossy. It's just matte. But for something like this where it's glossy, you're gonna want to wipe it down. I typically do 2 to 3 wipe downs just to make sure everything's off of it because, everyone misses a spot. So let's just rub it down again. If you wanted to be extra, you could even take some canned air. This isn't necessary. And just do a deeper clean, just spray out the back holes. But once you wiped it down a few times, you can see there's a bunch of scratches. You're gonna wanna take your car wax, or whatever you use, take a few globs of it and just dab it. Just dab it throughout the console, just dab it. Right, it's on you. You're gonna take your, once again, I think it's called a microfiber towel. I could be completely wrong. If I'm wrong, my editor Jordan, who is a car guy, will help fix what I said. We're just gonna smooth it out. See right here? We're just doing it, smoothing it out. That's all we're doing. You can see from just one wipe down, it looks a lot better. Of course, you're not gonna be able to get all of them out, but you can see it looks a lot better. What I recommend you doing this, what I recommend is you doing this 3 times, 3-4 times, depending on how deep the scratches are. I got this console from a guy that never took care of it. The console itself doesn't actually work. I need to replace the fan, but you can just see how bad the scratches are in this. So we're gonna go through it again. We're gonna wipe it down with the towel. This time I'm gonna do a vertical motion. Instead of going horizontal, I'm gonna go vertical. So we're gonna go ahead and go vertical all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. So you can even see from that one, it got a lot of them out. We're gonna go ahead and do it one more time. Just dab it throughout, just dab the console. We're just gonna go horizontal again. You can do this as many times as you want. There's gonna be an extent to how many you can get out, but if you keep doing it over and over again, at least, 5-6 times at most, I'd say, you get most of the scratches out of the glossy part of the system. It looks a lot better. Like I said, you're not gonna be able to get all of them out, but you can see I got a lot of the scratches out. There is still this smudge. I think that's a smudge. You can wipe it down with Windex and that towel again and that rag, but you don't really need to. I'd say this is great how it is. If I'm gonna sell a console used, this is how I would sell it. I would clean the system in-depthly with some canned air, and then I would just use the car wax on the top of the console. Yeah, guys, that's basically it for the video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a comment, like, subscribe, but keep flipping.